Hey folks, welcome back again to my channel. If you want to do chip budding, and now is the time for chip budding, you can start bud grafting in late June and you can continue it until early August. So this is a great time for bud grafting. All you need is your grafting knife, some parafilm or any other wrapping, and you need to collect a scion like this one from a healthy tree. This is a cherry scion I collected from my cherry tree in the front. And let's imagine this is our rootstock where we want to do some grafting. Here is a nice spot where we can do the grafting. And the first thing we do is collect our bud. Cut a nice, clean here. You can see we have got a cherry bud, and we start with making these cuts. So practicing indoors can help you before you start doing these on a tree in a difficult spot. But here, this is where you start. Make a clean cut, and if you want to stay safe, you always cut away from your hands, and then from the top of the bud you start an incision. Go slowly until the cut you made. That's it. It stays here. Now, if this is your rootstock, decide where you want to place it. Choose a clean area. You make a cut, let's say here. Okay, can you see that? And then you measure your bud. This is how long we need it. And then you start on the top, make a clean cut with your clean sharp knife. You can see here, all you need to now is put it in place. See, almost an exact match. Make sure the cambium layers touch each other on both sides. Okay, now all you need to do is wrap it, and then remove unnecessary branches around it so you can work clean and nice. Here, start wrapping. You can take this off. Now when it comes to the bud, you only want one layer of parafilm on top of it so the bud can easily break the parafilm when it is growing. That's it, folks. Now that you have learned how to do a chip bud, like and share. Thank you.